Today we will teach you how to wet and clean your brush. Prepare a cup, then pour a little brush cleaner in it. Remember not to pour too much. When you get a new brush, you'd better rub the bristles first with your finger. Next, you can put your brush into the cup. Press the brush several times until the bristles wet completely. Prepare a cotton pad and use it to wipe off the excess cleaner. Finally, you can get a wet brush. Let's have a try. Look, no more streaks with a wet brush. Then, we will show you the right way to clean the dirty brush. Wipe off the solid color gel with a cotton pad, but it's not enough. You still need to put your dirty brush into a cup with cleaner and press it repeatedly. Then you will see the excess color gel is washed out. Wipe off your brush after washing. Get a clean brush. Come and get the same brush cleaner.